Dear all the members of CSIS CLRI family, Professor Tyagarajan, all the former directors, and Sriram, the current director, it's a great pleasure for me to give you this message from Delhi about your Foundation Day. At the outset, my felicitation to all of you on your Foundation Day. I recall last year I was present physically with you, and it was a very privileged moment for me to be at CLRI on your Foundation Day and to be able to talk to many of you about your work, about your contributions to the society, about what you have done in the leather sector, and about your aspirations. I was very happy to be there myself because CLRI has been an iconic institute for the entire country, especially in the spectrum of leather activities that what you have done and how you have promoted the entire leather sector in the country. And therefore, it's once again a privilege for me to be able to give you this message today on your Foundation Day. I'm very happy that Professor Tyagarajan is giving you the Foundation Day lecture today. And I'm told that Professor Tyagarajan will touch upon the issues of coronavirus, and he will tell you a little bit about that very soon. As all of you are aware, CSIR has taken very firm steps in the coronavirus mitigation. In fact, CSIR has been placed extremely well in this particular activity because over the last 77, 78 years, CSIR has created a kind of an infrastructure which is so multidisciplinary that given any emergency situation, CSIR can quickly reorient to mitigate that particular emergency. And Corona is no exception. Our frontline biology labs have already plunged themselves into testing of coronavirus from day one. In fact, ICMR, when it was looking for partners to scale up the testing activity, it was but natural that they would come to some of the CSIR laboratories. And our laboratories have stood up to the occasion, and indeed, they have started testing coronavirus at a very large scale. I'm also very pleased to note that laboratories such as CLRI have agreed to start testing. I wish you all the very best for the testing activity that you are going to generate. I'm also told that the Department of Biotechnology has allowed CLRI to be the hub of this activity in Chennai and probably for all the regions closer to Chennai. And I wish you once again the best for this particular activity that you are undertaking. Many of you would be proud to hear that CSIR has contributed in the last 1 month quite significantly to the coronavirus mitigation. You would have heard in newspapers that certain PPEs or the protective garments have been made in CSIR NAL, and a first order of 50,000 has already been placed on a company which has taken the technology from NAL, which is a good news. NAL has also prepared the first of its kind BiPAP ventilator, which we are hoping that would go into the market very soon. Similarly, other labs have prepared instruments such as CSIO Chandigarh has made an electrospray decontaminator or disinfectant that also will go into the market very soon. Our labs in Hyderabad, such as IICT, or in Pune, such as NCL, have been working at the forefront of developing methods to synthesize the potential drugs. Many of you are aware that there are several repurposing drugs that are being tried against corona, and our labs have taken it upon themselves to generate synthetic routes for these repurposing drugs and have been extraordinarily successful in doing this. We are once again working with some of the pharmaceutical majors around the world who can come here and produce these drugs as soon as they receive the regulatory approvals. One vaccine candidate, namely MW, has already been approved to be tried in the field by the Drug Controller General of India, and the clinical trials will start very soon. So as you can see that many different labs have been chipping in their expertise in trying to mitigate this particular pandemic situation that has come upon us all of a sudden. And I'm very proud that CSIR, every lab has stood up and said that we will contribute in our own way in this particular pandemic. I'm also very proud what CLR has been doing, and therefore I must say that we all should keep doing what the good work that we have been doing. We should build upon it and make sure that this is a rare opportunity that has been presented to us, and CSIR should show to the world that it can lead the way in evolving science and technology solutions for the mitigation of such a pandemic. Once again, my felicitations to all of you on your Foundation Day. Wish you all very best. Thank you very much.